Okay, I want to show you guys how to rehydrate a dry tan cape. So this cape just came back from the tannery, dry tan. Okay, so to rehydrate it, you want lukewarm water and a handful of salt. This is just your fine grained mixing salt. This is the same stuff that you salted your capes with. And then I use a cap full of fabric softener, Downy, whatever, it doesn't matter, just the cheapest stuff you can get. Fabric softener, it's going to do exactly what it says. And then I put our bactericide back in there, that Skin Prep MBU. Mix this up. Make sure it's mixed really good. And you have to use a plunger to do it, nothing else will work. Alright, put it in here. I like to put the skin side in. And we'll time it here. It's about 2:15. Something that's real fresh back from the tannery, it's not going to take about 15-20 minutes. Okay, so this will be part one, and we'll get back on in about 15 minutes or so and show you the rest of it. Okay, we've had this one soaking. Soft enough now. It's got a pretty good stretch on it. You could just hang it up, just drain it out. In the shop here we use a washing machine. Just put it on the spin cycle with the hair out. As soon as that's done, we'll take it out and I'll show you how to measure it. Alright, so we got all the water drained out of it, spun out of it. Now I need to measure it for before we get the form ordered. Go right in behind your ears. Pull as tight as you can. All the way down. This isn't a very big deer. Okay, lay her down like that. I'm going to go through and stretch it again. Starting at the ears. Just pull as wide as you can. Okay, it's a little distorted, so once you do that, pull it by the nose. You just get air under that cape and everything just moves. See it all move like that? Okay, now you want to watch your brisket. Right here, when that brisket starts moving, you got to stop pulling. So we'll start it right behind the ears. Just go real easy. See that move? That's it. Go down a little more. That's it. That's all the bigger that cape is, okay? Get your measurement here, right in behind the ears. So this guy's 17, 3 inches down, 18, okay? So I just go to my customer's invoice, I'd write down a 17 by 18. You should already have the eye to nose recorded when you cape this thing off. You took a caliper measurement, eye to nose, before you caped it. So that gets written on the customer's invoice. You can prep this thing like it is right now while you're waiting for the form, or just roll it up skin to skin like a sleeping bag and put it in the freezer till you're ready to work on it. That's it.